The mantra that I gonna give you is the most powerful mantra to keep away all the evil forces, wicked forces, or any kind of negative energy approaching towards you. Believe me, it helps you remove all the effects of black magic, negative planets and bad luck, health problems, enemies and any kind of that dark energy around you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maha Divine, where we speak about spirituality, motivation, self-growth, rituals, switch words and many more. Consider subscribing to my channel if you are interested in any of these, please. The mantra is Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundaya Viche. So this mantra represents Maha Saraswati, represents Mahalakshmi, also represents Mahakali, a killer of evil and devil forces. The mantra is said to have several benefits in keeping the wicked forces away, protecting virtuous people, blessing devotees with wealth, happiness and prosperity, destroying demons, Chanda and Munda, removing the effects of black magic, negative planets, bad luck, health problems and enemies, and it creates harmony in relationships. And need not chant this mantra for a longer period of time. Just 11 to 21 times a day is enough, and once you attain the results, you can stop chanting the mantra. This mantra is such a powerful thing that you hold the power for a longer period of time. This can significantly enhance the strength of body and the mind. The chanting of this mantra brings protection mainly and uniquely gives you strength in one condition or situation. And if you wake up with bad dreams, chanting chases them away. This mantra is an enemy to all kind of negative forces. In this video, I gonna chant it for 11 times, which is much more enough to make magic. Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundaya Viche Namaha. 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 Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundaya Viche Namaha.